Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. In India has numerous mysteries and explorations which are still yet to be discovered by people. There still exist number of places in India which are not known to people. Ancient India has left behind some of the mind-blowing facts for its future generations to explore. Bhimkund. Bhimkund, also known as Neelkund, is a natural water source and a holy place in India. The water of Kund is so clean and transparent that you can actually clearly see fishes playing in the water. The creatures living under the water are literally visible to certain depths. The Bhimkund located near Banja village in Chhattarpur district in Madhya Pradesh. This is 77 kilometers away from Chhattarpur district by road in Bundelkhand region. There is saying that depth of Bhimkund is limitless. Until date, no one is able to find the actual depth of Bhimkund, and this has been proved literally. The archaeologists and the excavators have their best to measure the limits of Kund, but none have succeeded. Few years ago, a team from Discovery Channel visited Bhimkund and trying to calculate the depth of Kund, but unable to do so. Usually, when a man dies underwater, his body floats above the surface after his death, right? Whereas the body once drowned in Bhimkund never floats up. And shockingly, the body actually goes missing and can never be found back. One more fact is associated along with this place. The Bhimkund is also an indicator of upcoming natural calamities. As examined by the locals, the water level in Bhimkund rises above up to 15 meters of measure, and this indicates there is a natural calamity about to occur. At the time of tsunami in 2004, the water level here rose by 15 feet, and same is that case at the time of Nepal or other earthquakes. When tried to examine the reason behind this, no result could be found by the examiners except for weird creatures and species underwater. It was also found that the source connected to this Kund has been not found till date. People also believe that water of this Kund is so pure that anyone who takes bath here on the day Makar Sankranti will be free from all sins. The water of Bhimkund remains to be turquoise blue, clean, transparent, despite several people come here daily for holy bath. Mahabharata time, when the Pandavas were in their Vanavas, they visited this place. At the time, Draupadi felt thirsty and asked for water. Pandavas started searching for water reservoir, but unfortunately they could not find any source. That was the time when Bhim, the strongest man on earth, smashed the earth with full of strength from his mace. And that's when this Kunda came into being. Thus, the Kund is named as Bhim Kund. The Kund lies in an underground cave and is about 30 meters from the mouth. To the left of the entrance is a small Shivalinga, but what's truly astounding here is that the roof of the cave has small opening just above the Kund, as this the spot Bhim is said have hit with this gada. The depth of this pool is believed to be measureless. The pool is a lovely indigo blue which contrasts well with the red stone walls. There are some caves around it, but no one has been adventurous enough to find out where they lead. There is something mysterious and exciting about this place, so much so that one almost tends to believe the pool epic region. Thank you guys. Have a good day.